Tesla may be planning to release a new electric van in 2024, with the option of offering both a commercial model and a more comfortable people mover variant. According to planning documents published by a car industry analyst firm in the United States, production of a Tesla van could begin in January of 2024 at the company's Texas factory. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we will take a look at everything you need to know about the Tesla Robovan and further updates. Thinking ahead has been a part of Tesla's repertoire since its inception, and the company's CEO recently proposed a new idea for fulfilling the company's futuristic focus. As if Tesla's upcoming futuristic projects like the Cybertruck and the Optimus robot were not enough, Elon Musk recently proposed a new idea for transporting people and goods. According to Musk's tweet, Tesla's next futuristic vehicle could be a customizable Robovan. Musk is known for riffing on vehicle update ideas online, but in this case, he added a few details that make the idea seem plausible. Perhaps Tesla should develop a highly customizable Robovan for people and cargo, Musk stated in a tweet. Not only did Musk mention making a Robovan, which we assume refers to a van that will drive autonomously once the automaker's full self-driving robot is approved, but he also added a few details he thought would be cool. Perhaps with a solar power canopy that extends both sides of the van, tripling the roof area, Musk added. Another user posted a photo of a Tesla trailer that was recently spotted at IDEAN Expo in Germany, complete with extending solar panels and a Starlink satellite dish. Pretty much, Musk said, adding that users could sit beneath these panels using a van. Tesla already has a lot going on, with vehicles like the Cybertruck, Semi, and the new Roadster set to go into production in the coming years. Not to mention the upcoming Optimus robot, which is possibly the company's most far-fetched announcement yet. During this year's first quarter earnings call, Musk mentioned launching the vehicle that will be used as a robo-taxi by 2023, with production beginning as early as 2024. However, it is unclear whether Tesla is on track to meet these targets. Still, a programmable Robovan would be ideal for using Tesla's FSD system for both people and cargo, as Musk stated. Not to mention its numerous applications for Musk's other businesses, such as a self-driving passenger car for the Boring Company. It is unclear whether this is a robo-taxi, as he mentioned it, transporting both people and cargo, or a separate vehicle program. It was mentioned in Musk's Tesla Master Plan Part 2, and it is still the only vehicle from that plan that the automaker has yet to reveal. Aside from the Robovan's ability to transport large groups of people, Musk reportedly stated that the upcoming vehicle would be designed to meet the needs of passengers with disabilities. This implies that the Tesla Robovan would be designed for easy ingress and egress, making it ideal for passengers who may struggle to get into conventional vehicles. Active air suspension, similar to that used in the Cybertruck, would be especially useful for disabled passengers, as it would make it easier to load and unload items, such as wheelchairs, from the Tesla Robovan. Given that a typical full-size van seats 12 people, Tesla's upcoming vehicle may have applications beyond the company's typical customer base. Tesla is also rumored to be developing such a vehicle for use in the Boring Company's Loop system, which uses Tesla vehicles to move people in tunnels beneath cities, with the first application currently being deployed in Las Vegas. Interestingly, a Robovan for the tunneling startup is not the most outlandish idea, as the Boring Company released concept images of its planned people carrier in 2017. The concept images depict a vehicle that resembles a van, but with plenty of headroom and cargo space. While the mentions of Elon Musk of a Tesla Robovan may surprise some, it is not the first time that the CEO has mentioned a van in the EV maker's list of upcoming projects. Musk stated in January of 2021 that Tesla is definitely going to make an electric van at some point, in response to an inquiry from RBC Capital Markets analyst Joseph Spack. Musk, on the other hand, stated that while developing a prototype of the vehicle would be relatively simple, ramping up production would be extremely difficult. Tesla vehicles are known for being high-tech, with some of the first mass-produced electric vehicles on the market. A Tesla Robovan could be just around the corner, just beyond the Cybertruck, the Semi, and a few other projects the automaker must complete first. If the information is correct, which Tesla has not confirmed, the new model would be built alongside the Cybertruck and could be based on the same platform as the upcoming Ute. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Now coming back to the topic. Elon Musk hinted at a highly configurable Robovan for people and cargo in July of 2022, and his master plan Pardue from 6 years ago also hinted at a people mover joining the Tesla model lineup. In 2016, Musk also wrote on Twitter, "It probably makes sense to build a van off the pickup truck chassis." Musk has also hinted that Tesla's next new model could be a smaller car, positioned below the Model 3 and the Model Y. According to the production schedule, the Cybertruck will go into production next year, and both it and the future van will be built until 2030. While Musk may appear to be coming up with the idea of a Tesla Robovan out of nowhere today, this is not the case. The Tesla CEO first mentioned the vehicle earlier this year. RBC Capital Markets analyst Joseph Spack raised the possibility of a Tesla van during a previous earnings call. In response, Musk stated that Tesla will definitely make an electric van at some point. Elon Musk reportedly mentioned Robovan again during an all-hands meeting with Tesla employees in September of 2021. During the meeting, Musk reportedly stated that the Robovan would not only be capable of transporting a large number of people, but it would be designed in such a way that people with disabilities could easily get in and out of the vehicle. It is possible that Tesla will create a career spec version and a people mover variant from the same body, similar to how Mercedes-Benz Vito and Volkswagen Transporter commercial vans are also available as family haulers. The concept of a Tesla Robovan, particularly one that can be easily modified to transport goods rather than people, it's not far-fetched. Tesla is already developing a robo-taxi which will ferry people around. A potential Robovan could be part of the same fleet and used to transport even more people or cargo as needed. Even at the consumer level, models like the ID could justify the release of an electric van. Bus is already on its way and drawing a lot of attention. Elon also stated on a Joe Rogan podcast that a van makes a lot of sense because it has a large flat area, and this is where solar might make a little more sense due to the surface area and ability to cover the vehicle with more solar panels than a car. The company is working with Tesla to develop electric vans that can seat up to 12 people and their luggage, enlarging the capacity to 1,200 people per day or 10 million plus per year, San Bernardino County Supervisor Kurt Heckman said. The Tesla Robovan has been in development since 2016 and designs have been developed. We do not believe that this will reach initial production in the next few years. Tesla can begin producing more vehicles once battery and supply chain shortages are resolved. Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Ford are all releasing battery-powered vans, while Tesla competitors Rivian designed an electric van for retail giant Amazon. In the coming years, electric commercial vans are expected to be increasingly used as last-mile delivery vehicles. Because many couriers deliver items to businesses and homes in a specific area, their vehicles do not travel long distances, despite being on the road all day, making electric vans ideal for the job. At this time, Tesla has not officially confirmed the van, but if the 2024 production start date is correct, the Robovan could be unveiled in 2023. And with that being said, it is time to end our video. Before that, we would like to know, what are your thoughts about the Robovan? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. We will see you in the next video.